Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 5th of July. The euro edged lower to 125.07 from 126.06 yesterday against the US dollar on expectations the European Central Bank will cut interest rates today to boost the Eurozone economy. Equities turn negative and risk aversion in the market is heightened on speculation the ECB could restart its bond purchasing programme of troubled Eurozone countries to push borrowing costs lower. Some investors also argue about the possibility of another round of long-term refinancing operations or else LTRO to inject money into the economy. Focus will turn to the ECB President Mario Draghi and the following press conference. The US dollar strengthened on a thin holiday trade yesterday versus the safe haven Japanese yen. The greenback rose to 80.09 from 79.30 as the Bank of Japan officials continue to say they will keep monetary policy aggressively loose. The US dollar may be under pressure on mounting speculation. The Federal Reserve may decide on a third round of quantitative easing ahead of Friday's non-farm payroll data. Today's economic data may provide a better picture about the economic recovery in the US as ADP employment change and manufacturing PMI are due later today. The British pound slid against the greenback to 155.74 from 156.89 ahead of the Bank of England interest rate decision. Rates are expected to remain unchanged at 0.5%, but an expansion of the Bank of England's quantitative easing programme is expected. Looking at commodities, oil edged lower to $86.50 a barrel from $87.73. Gold edged lower to $1,611.54 an ounce from $1,619.71, and against the euro it jumped to €1,289.85 from €1,282.83, and silver fell to $28.07 an ounce from $28.33. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point at 125.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 125.65. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 79.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 79.65. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 102.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.40. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 156.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 156.40. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.70. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point was at 86 with a preference to enter into long positions at 86. The gold pivot point is at 1611 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1611. And the silver pivot point is at 27.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 27.90. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the Bank of England interest rate decision forecast to remain unchanged at 0.5%. ECB interest rate decision forecast to be cut to 0.75%. US ADP employment change forecast to come out at 105,000. US initial jobless claims forecast to come out at 385. And the US ISM non-manufacturing PMI forecast to come out at 53. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 0.06%, the DAX was down 0.20%, and the CAC was up 0.11%. In the US, the SP 500 was up 0.62%, and the Dow was up 0.56%. In Asia, at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.28%, and the Hang Seng was down 0.25%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.